for this basic granny square tutorial. This is basic granny square number 1 because there's a couple different designs that we can play with. I am utilizing a size 4 weight yarn. This is Lion Brand Heartland yarn, and the crochet hook I'm using is a G7 or 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. Now, really honestly, with these basic granny squares, you can utilize any yarn size on the spectrum, which is very exciting. Just use the crochet hook that is recommended on the yarn label for the best results. So let's go ahead and begin. To start this basic granny square, we are working in circles or rounds. So I'm going to start with a magic ring this time. If you'd like to start with the chain 2 method, you absolutely can. So I'm going to start with that tail on my palm. I'm going to put my thumb there so I can hold it still. I'm going to wrap the yarn around my hand and make an X shape. And then I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to put it there to stop the yarn. Take your crochet hook, go underneath the loop, grab that yarn, pull it through the circle, and then keep pinching so it doesn't go anywhere. Yarn over and pull that yarn through the loop on your crochet hook, and that makes a slip knot, so now we can remove our hands and this magic ring is not going anywhere. For round 1 of our basic granny square, we're going to start by chaining 2 more for a total of 3 chains. That's going to be our first double crochet stitch. Make 2 more double crochet stitches inside this ring. Yarn over, insert inside the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and do that again. Yarn over, insert crochet hook inside the ring, grab that yarn, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now chain 2 for our first corner. We're going to make 3 more double crochet stitches inside the circle. 1, 2, 3, then chain 2, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2. We got our 3 sides, side 1, side 2, side 3. Got to do that one more time. So make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then for the last corner to close our round 1, we're actually going to do something different, a trick that I found that will hide that seam so we can't see it, and it makes the granny square look very clean. We're going to chain 1, and then we're going to half double crochet in the 3rd chain of the beginning 3 chains here. So yarn over, find that 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3. Insert your crochet hook, yarn over, pull through. We have those 3 loops, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to close round 1. Now with the magic ring, I'm going to take my tail and I'm going to pull the center of my granny square closed. Boom. And this is what it'll look like at the end of round 1. Very cool. All right, let's move on to round 2. With us making that half double crochet stitch to close round 1, it puts us in the corner, which is why we get to hide that seam. Single crochet in that corner just to clean it up, and chaining 2. 1, 2. That's going to be our first double crochet stitch. Make 2 more double crochet stitches in this corner. 1, 2, hop over this group of 3 double crochets and make 3 double crochets in the next corner. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochets in that same corner. 1, 2, 3. skip over those 3 double crochets, find the next corner, and do the same thing. All the corners are going to be the same. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, and literally just skip over the 3 double crochets. We're not chaining 1 in this version. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3. In the very last corner, corner number 4, we already have 3 double crochets in that corner. So we're going to make 3 double crochets to start. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to close this corner, chain 1 and half double crochet in that top chain to close the round. Again, because it puts us in that corner and hides the seam. And it looks like the center of my granny square opened, so I'm just going to pull that tail, close that up real quick. All right, let's go ahead and move on to round 3. For round 3, single crochet, and that just anchors that stitch. Chain 2 for our first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet stitches in that first corner. 1, 2. Hop over to the space between the 2 groups of 3 double crochet and make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, just like that. Hop over the next group of 3. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3. Right? Find the next space between the 2 groups of 3 double crochets and make 3 double crochets. And corner. And 3, and then to close corner number 4 of round 3, again, just chain 1 and half double crochet in the top chain. And that's round 3. And honestly, all we're doing is repeating what we did for round 3 for every single round that you make. However big you want to make this granny square, you can make this thing huge. This can be a blanket. This can be a wearable, such as a cardigan or a cocoon. This could be a purse or a tote bag. This could just be something small where you stop like this, make like 150 of these and make a beautiful blanket. So there's so much that you can do with the granny square design, and now all you're doing is just repeating what we did in round 3. Single crochet in that corner, chaining 2, making 2 double crochets in that first corner, hop over the 3 double crochets, find that space between, and make 3 double crochet stitches. It's that easy. All right, that's it. I hope that you give this a try. I hope that you have so much fun, and I cannot wait to see what you make with this design. Please tag me in social media when you share a picture of what you make with your granny square. I'd love to see it.